Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the car and cutting power. Park level, set the brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Next, you open the hatch and remove the trunk trim panel fasteners. Keep clips organized so reassembly is easy. Once you see the access cover behind the tail lamp, use a flat tool to carefully pry out the 1/4 turn clips. This gives you direct access to the lamp socket and mounting bolts for the next steps. Once the cover is off, you twist each bulb socket counterclockwise and pull the bulbs free. Inspect for corrosion so you can address poor contacts later. Then, with one hand supporting the lamp, use a 10 mm socket to remove the tail lamp mounting bolts. Supporting the assembly prevents it from dropping when the last bolt is removed. Finally, reach behind and press the wiring harness tab to disconnect the connector, sliding it apart so the lamp can be removed cleanly. You reinstall by positioning the replacement lamp and reconnecting the wiring harness until you hear a click. Make sure the mounting holes line up before you start bolts. Once aligned, hand start the bolts, then snug them. Do not over-torque plastic mounts. Reinstall bulbs and the access cover, reattach trim, and reconnect the battery. Test brake, turn, and reverse lights immediately. If something fails, check connector pins for corrosion and the vehicle fuse for that circuit as the primary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.